Good evening. Welcome to Nifty prediction. This is Narendran. Before going to the Wednesday's prediction, I will review today's market closing. Nifty ended up in the positive 9,914.00, 100.30 points in the positive, 1.02% in the positive. Opened around 10,014.80, high went around 10,046.15, low went around 9,728.50. Let's go to my prediction review. In my data, the ratio indicated the market having chances to fall down 3:6, but the average indicating positive and absolute frequency indicated positive, weightage indicated positive. So we have explained that specifically whenever the data showing the difference of 1 points, which means after a uptrend market will having chances to fall down. So it is typically like volatile market, that is what I specifically mentioned. And the market has opened even well above the resistance level. I mean, within the range of pre-open around 6 point, but after that it has gone past that level, but not match with the data. But normally, if anything goes beyond that level, it will match with the average to some extent. So for example, I will let you show you, if we match these two data, which is not matching the average, but somehow the market is not able to break this level. So it is not able to go further level, but it has fallen. But as per the rule, it has to match with the perfect data. So if I take from the level of frequency average towards to the level which shows that within the range of 10 points, if you take 10 points from this level, 10,049.60, which is not broken the levels of that particular high, so not able to break, so which is within the range. Normally it happens like that, but it is not going to be easy while the market is trading on this that particular day, because it needs to have tremendous levels to check the data. Normally if it is matching, so it is also coming exactly the same from that overall average. If you take, it comes exactly the same. So on the other hand, we need to take those average levels, we need to keep it, and then we need to check out. So if it is comes so many parameters we can take from the average levels, it will match. So it is not going to be easy to find out while the market is trading. It is all we need to have that safer method to get. Normally it has to match, but anything on above the said level, for example anything above the said level, this is the maximum level, resistance level 3, but we have found the resistance level 3 with the multiples of resistance level 3 into 2, which given 4.22. so this is how after the level we need to go with the multiple number of it, so we will get the next level whether it is going to be. So all we need to watch out this specific average, but normally it is not matching with the high. What we thought is that it may not fall down, but all we need to do is that we can able to check with the next levels. For example, from the level of positive average to some extent, we can able to try to check out with the data whether it is matching or not. All we need to check out. So once if it is getting matched with n number of datas, then it is showing that most of the indications are showing 10,065, 10,060, those ranges. So then we can able to find. So this is the one data which aligning. Then as we saw the overall average and the pivot levels, those levels are matching with the average of close to that high. So once if it is close to the high, it means it is having chances to fall. On the live market, it's not going to be that much easy, but all we know is that market will fall because of this indication is showing after a uptrend it will fall down. But today it has fallen extremely due to that news, China and India, we have a small clash, and due to that it has fallen down and gone towards the low. But the low is somewhat matched around 9,723 is the low, which I mean support level 3 we are having around 40 or something. On the low it is matching within the data. around 9,728 within the range. So it has after the fall down, the data is matched within the range. Normally 2 to 3 points will come, but as per the rule we can go for the 10 points stop loss minus, means 9,713 up to that level we can go, but it has kept higher than that, so it has recovered from that level towards to the positive. Almost from the low it has recovered almost 170 180 points. It has recovered and closed in the range of almost bullish range, above that bullish open target and above that average level. It has closed above that positive average level. Let's go to the prediction for Wednesday. I have already given that only prediction for the points, and this is how I have given. So I have updating that 9,914. So this is how I'm normally I used to do the calculation, but right now I have given that closing, so you can able to understand how it is going to calculate. So those numbers are not going to change. So first we need to look out the market, which is the ratio indicating negative 1:7 and 0:4. Absolute frequency 0:1, and all indications showing negative. So what this is indicating is we need to have one lot in the put option on the 1 day before itself whenever we see, but the difference of 1 point which comes in the absolute frequency, so after downfall it may recover. This is a one kind of scenario. On the other hand, if it is opens in the positive opening itself, if it is opens in the positive, then it may fall down from that level. Likewise what we saw today, like Tuesday. So but Wednesday is normally a bullish kind of market, but we don't have much resistance, only one resistance we are having, one data only having, so around 0.59%, around 9,972.49. so if anything goes beyond that level, we need to watch out whether I is matching or not, so it may fall down. But if it is opens in the gap down, for example anything opens below this volatile level around more than 33 points, it is indicating bearish with a stop loss of overall average around 9,908.15. This is a stop loss if anything opens below this level. 34 points if it is opens in the negative, then we can go keep this level as a stop loss and go for a sell. If it is going beyond this bearish open target level, it may go to any extent, but this pivot and test level we can having some kind of a support, but still if it is breaking it will go to any extent. It may go to even 9,658 or 9,530 as well. So if it is opens like that, then it has a good chance to go any level because of the market is having tremendous pressure. And if it is opens normal, as per the normal rule, if it is opens volatile level and above, then we need to keep stop loss below this level. But as per the common rule, support level 1 is there, so bullish stop loss is there itself. But even though the market is opens in between 0 to 13, it is indicating extremely bearish, but still someone wants to go for a bullish market, they must have to keep stop loss in the range of 9,888.10. This particular must have to keep stop loss for the bullish market if anything opens in between 0 to 13 negative points. But normally what happens, all four indications showing in the negative, even 1 point in the negative is also indicating extremely bearish. But as per the rule for the bullish, stop loss is here in that above anything volatile level. On the other hand, if anything opens even 1 point in the positive, 1 point in the positive, they must have to keep stop loss in the range of 9,007 minus 10 points. So 9,897.05 they need to keep stop loss and maintain for the bullish. And anything breaks the bullish open target level, it will go to any extent, which is 9,928 range plus 10 points, so 9,938 range. So all we need to watch out is where the pre-market is going to be. Right now it is very much having pressure, so high and low is matching or not, we need to check out. Normally this test level the market having chances to reach, but whether it is going to break or if it is breaking, then it will go further downside. And we know that after bullish open target breaking, it may go to any extent. but if it is not breaking, it has a good chance to recover. But all we need to watch out is after the recovery, once again this overall average need to break, otherwise the market will fall once again from that level towards to any extent on the bearish trend. So this point we need to note out. Even the market is opens in the flat negative, anything even 1 point in the negative, market may having chances to fall down, and it may recover from the pivot, or it may recover from the test level. But the market is not able to break this overall average level, then it is a clear indication the market will fall down. So please keep this in mind. Anything opens higher, for example, if the gap up, the market is opens 9,994, then it is an indication that the market will fall down. Likewise the same, anything opens in the gap down 9,761.62, it is an indication the market will go from that low towards to positive. But still this level need to be monitored with a stop loss of 10 points with the data. For example, 9,761, where we have 9,761, we don't have 9,761, but if we take the average, it is closer to it. So this particular level we need to keep stop loss 10 points. So 9,744 we must have to keep stop loss, because anything gap down, we may say as per the common rule it will recover, but if it is breaking the stop loss level, it will go to the next level. So safety is must. So we need to watch out that as well. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Wednesday. Thank you. I forgot to show you the summary of it for the Wednesday. These are all the summaries. So anything opens even in 1 point, we need to keep stop loss in the range of 9,897.05. But here we have a different kind of stop loss level, but the difference is not much big. So 9,900.15 above means we need to keep stop loss in that particular. Anything breaks in the positive 9,938.90, then only it is indicating open target for the bullish. But still we have a strong support level. After that the market may having chances to go up. If it is breaking those levels, then it will go to the level of around 10,001, 10,031 and 10,089. But the market is clearly having pressure on the negative side. So anything pre-market opens 9,880.25 below that level, we need to keep stop loss in the range of 9,908.5. Then if it is breaking the bearish open target to 9,823.70, then it will go to the support levels. We have strong 3 support levels near to it. So if it is breaking, then it will go to the next lower side of 9,722, 9,658, 9,530. even below than that is also possible, but must keep stop loss in the range of 9,982.50. you need to check out the difference between the stop loss, because anything opens below this particular level, pre-market opening below this level, we need to keep stop loss 9,908. But anything opens in between 0 to this level, even 1.2.8, means we need to keep stop loss in the level almost 80 points to 70 to 80 points the gap is there. So we need to watch out that as well. As we know, anything gap up opens 9,994, then it is an indication the market will fall. Anything gap down, the market is indicating that's 9,761, the market will having chance to recover. But all we need to watch out the low and high, whether the data is matching perfectly with the 10-point stop loss, then it is an indication to trade. Otherwise don't trade on these 2 occasions. Thank you.